This is night one at our Crystal Cove campground. Just ready to start the fire. We watched the sunset. It's Catalina Island. This is day one, night one, Crystal Cove. Okay. Mom and Aspen are doing the food prep for some chicken, bacon, veggie wrap tinfoil things, which I'll be transferring there. The little girls are literally playing Nintendo and
oh, hi, Dad.
iPad.
What a coincidence.
Totally sad.
What's totally sad? What's totally
Alright, this is day two. We're heading towards the tunnel. We're going to the Crystal Cove Historic District, and we're getting breakfast at the Beachcomber Cafe. There's the other ladies. You are the other ladies. We've heard some frogs chirping. Look at this. It's a short walk from the parking lot. Ooh.
I need a camera too.
Ooh, we got little murals. La 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 la.
Mom has to put on her glasses.
Wait, why is Mom putting on her glasses? Dude, look at these murals. This is cool. The girls' shoes are all wet. The tide came in. This is the Crystal Cove tide pools by Treasure Cove, I think, coming from Pelican Point area. So. Another little sea cave over here. So far, this Treasure Cove is actually a real treasure when you come here at low tide. We found the arch, me and Willow. All right, this is low tide at Treasure Cove, right over there. Be going in. This is our beach barbecue. Just starting. There is the girls playing a vigorous game of frisbee where they keep not being able to catch the frisbee. So let's see if let's see her throw. Yep, off into the ocean again. Yep. Now Aspen will throw to the ground. Now Sierra will throw, and Willow catches it. Now the girls, are you gonna test one of my things to see how they're cooked? Oh, okay. Alright, we'll just assume that I cooked it perfectly. Our fire pit is over. We're now heading back to the sounds of all of these toads. Reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay. We actually asked, this is really spooky on our way back. Aspen, tell what happened.
Bro, I heard someone getting strangled. He was like, he was like this. He was like, help! Like, it was like he was getting strangled. Like, someone.
Oh, why are you laughing that someone's getting strangled? What was that down there?
And somebody like stopped him.
Shh.
She's going to our car.
It's a
I'm hearing a lot of spooky stuff in here.
Well, it was like, it was literally.
All right, we are, where is everybody? All right, we're going on a little beach run. We came down from our camp through this tunnel. Now we're gonna run it out beach style. All right, this is the little muddy canyon creek. Booyah! Booyah! All right, there go the girls on the final stretch of our run. All the way to the Beachcomber Cafe. And then we're gonna turn around and go back to our campsite. So, I think Aspen said it's probably almost 2 miles when we get there, so probably end up a 4 mile or so run if you can trust our devices. But beautiful day. Tide is rising, so I'm gonna see if they can still, the little creek is getting bigger. All right, we finished our run, but, whoa, dude, whoa. But our tunnel flooded with the high tide, so we gotta go barefoot through this thing.
I almost want to sock wet.
So just be aware if you come through here. We go into the sea cave. Okay, well. No, I will catch you. All right, we're going down into the sea cave. Oh boy.
Where's it? It's because I'm too tall for this cave. Almost made it down.
Oh, sure. Wow, that's right where we were kayaking. In the middle.
We have to go down there to see him all.
Oh yeah, look, there's one right here next to you, right there.
when your love gets strong, when your love it will break the fear. When your love gets wide, it will bring you near. And when your soul gets humble, pride loses me. And your days of trouble